So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to follow me on social media account, Instagram, Teresa Vardan. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Teresa Vardan. Don't forget to click the notification bell and don't forget to like and share, comment on this video. Please follow me on my social media account, Instagram at Teresa Vardan, Facebook Teresa Vardan. So without further ado, let's jump out to the main video. No cut, no intro. Okay, so for today's video, I just received my order from Shopee, and this face paint. So let's open this. Yeah. Oh, this. Yeah. Open pa natin siya. ASMR. So this is a face paint from Cheekdourl PH. So yeah, let's spray another spray. So yeah, let's see. So I ordered this last week, then I'm trying now. Yeah, 1 week, almost 1 week. Like trying. So this is the shop. I will post the link on the description box. This is a face paint if you love doing artistry like that. Yeah, this is good. Budget friendly. This is it. Yeah. Okay. Not too small, not too big. Okay, just medium size. So this. No, I don't want to really packaging something, just like this. Open this way. So I already open, not just normal size, and there's a dent here, scratches. So yeah, let's try to swatch. Oh, just like this. Wala siyang amoy. It's not smell like chemical, like, and it's oily. So like this. It's pigmented. So let's try the blue one. Yeah, it's kind of pigmented. The white. No, it's very visible. Yes, for its price, okay naman siya, and the amount of this product are good if you're just starting your makeup. This is like a version of You Can Be. So yeah, You Can Be Facepaint palette. So this check for me, and hope you check their Shopee account at Cheekdourl. Yeah, for only 155 pesos, you can now get a face paint. So bye, thanks for watching.